Hello guys, it's me again, May, and welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back for my another vlog. So for today's video, I came from Tulu Supermarket. I brought something that I need for this coming Saturday because I have celebration for celebration for Eid al-Adha. So today it's June 5, Thursday. It's the starting today of our vacation. So we have vacation today, starting today, June 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 for 5 days. And we are coming back on work on June 10. Just ignore my my voice right now because I'm not feeling well this past few days and I'm sick. I went to the doctor 2 days ago and then I have acute tonsillitis and a little bit of chest infection. So I'm start taking my antibiotics and cough syrup and inhaler. I hope inshallah this coming days I will be better. Ya Rab, amin. So for today's video ay mag-haul ako ng mga grocery na pinamili ko and then some of the chocolates that I brought, if I cannot eat it at all, maybe I will put it on my cargo and my package because I need to. Because this year, I will send the box in Philippines because I need to buy stuff for Sachi for her birthday on December. Still, it's far away, but you know, every time you send the balikbayan box in Philippines, it takes 2 months or more. So I don't want to delay it, and if it is delayed, so hindi na magagamit ni Sachi yung mga bibilin ko para sa birthday niya. So yun, I will show you some of the stuff, some of the groceries that I brought it. Because this Eid, every time there is a lot of sales in the supermarkets, even in the department store, in the clothes, shoes, marami kayo talagang mabibili ng mga sale. But the price of the gold is still high, kaya hindi tayo bibili this Eid ng adiya natin, ng adiya para sa sarili natin. So, for the meantime, di ko naman na kailangan ng gold right now at wala pa tayong budget doon. So, first things, I brought a diamond twist chocolate. This is a milk chocolate, pistachio canapa. This is cost 28.85 reals. Hindi ko na siya convert sa peso kasi pag kinonvert ko pa siya sa peso, medyo mahal pa yung conversion ng real to peso. Pero as of now, kasi ang 1 real to peso is 14.6 only. So, kaya kapag nagpadala tayo ng mga remittance sa mga family natin sa Pilipinas, nakakapanghinayang kasi sobrang liit ang palitan ng real. I got another flavor, milk chocolate, Bonello Canapa. This is first time I brought this chocolate, so first time ko din siyang matitikman, but not right now because today is the day of Arafah, so we are fasting. Yan. And then also this one, same brand siya, chocolate diamond twist chocolate, but this one is 650 grams. The other is only 450 grams. Yan. Ang daming chocolate namin na binili kasi nga may bisita ako sa Saturday. And hindi ko alam kung ano yung mga types na chocolate na gusto nilang kainin. Although I brought also fruits and I already put it in the fridge. So hindi ko na siya ipapakita sa inyo. Ito na lang mga chocolate and nuts na binili ko, ipapakita ko sa inyo. And also this one, milk caramel chocolate special caramels. Yeah, because my husband, he knows that I love caramel chocolate, kaya hindi pwedeng hindi siya bibili ng caramel chocolate kapag may nakita siyang mga ganito, lalo na't mga sale. And then I have this Also same brand, Mel chocolate special. But this one is chocolate special caramels and coconut. It's different flavors like that. There's like strawberry, coconut, pistachio, and chocolate caramels also. Yan. First time ko din siyang matitikman kasi every time na bumibili kami ng chocolate, lagi kaming Jewel Galaxy. Like this one. This one is on sale, but I forgot how much the price. Maybe 49 or 59 something reals. Nag-sale sila kasi the expiration will be soon on August 10, 2025. So, it will also have a different types of chocolate. They have a milk chocolate, hazelnut, crispy, caramel, and mixed nut. So, naisip ko na, ito na lang muna yung open ko sa Saturday. Kasi ito yung malapit na ma-expired. Itong mga ibang to ay sa ano pa yung expiration niya sa ano pa, next year pa. Wait, I will show you also. Still I have in the plastic bag some of the chocolates. Like what I said, I brought another two of these diamond twists because, by the way, the first chocolates, the one I showed to you guys, this is from my husband last night. He brought it to me. And then this afternoon, we went together. So I brought another two. So this one, I can put it on my package in my balikbayan box, I mean, what I said before. So I have this one. Of course, I buy two ice cream, London Dairy. It's on sale. It's only 20 reals. So nagbili ako ng dalawa. Even na may ubo ako, gusto ko pa rin talaga siyang kumain ng chocolate. So the flavor is pralines and cream, I mean. And then one cookies and cream. Yan. And then also, I brought some fruits, like berries. Kasi magagawa ako ng curry crochet ba yun? Yung nasa board siya ng mga biscuits and cheese like that or mix. Also, I got the butter. Look at the butter. It's Looney Tunes butter. Yan. Bumili ako ng tatlo. And then I brought also a different kind of cheese. Smoked cheese plain. Irish red mild cheddar cheese. This one. Yeah. And also Irish white. Ito yung ilalagay ko sa gagawin ko sa board. Yan. Later ko siya ayusin. And I brought also Enchantor soap. Ito ilalagay ko to sa cargo ko, sa balikbayan box. Yan. Mura kasi siya, talaga ang daming sale. Kasi ang bango-bango nito, bumili din ako ng powder, ng baby powder nito, ng polvo, ng Enchantor. And then another chocolate, like the other one, but this one I don't have this flavor, so I bought it now, the Bisco cream pinapa. So ayan, ang dami mga chocolates na binili ko. And then also bumili din si husband nito last night ng Choco Bits na Tom and Jerry, o diba? Kung na dito lang si Jaira, if ever na hindi ko ito makakain or hindi niya makakain, I will send it to I will put it on my balikbayan box. But I don't know where's the expiration. Oh, the expiration is on the January. So, hindi na lang. Kasi, kung magpadala ako ng balikbayan box ko ng September, October, November, or maybe half of the month of September para saktong, ano siya, saktong December nandun na yung balikbayan box. I think ito lang naman yung sa vlog ko today. Kasi wala naman ako ibang mga binili na grocery. Nag-ano lang ako ng konting mga chocolates. Kasi ayoko mag-imbak ng maraming mga gulay-gulay dito. Kasi hindi ko din naman siya nakakain. At hindi ko rin naman siya naluluto. If ever lang na meron akong bisita at may konting salo-salo dito sa bahay. So, yun lang guys, and thank you for watching and see you on my next vlog. Bye!